Okay, so you're just starting out YouTube and the natural light just isn't cutting it for you. Or maybe you're in a space that actually doesn't allow any natural light to come in. Or maybe you're in a situation like this where you have half the light coming on one half of your face and then the other half you can't see. So stick around, because in this video we're going to be talking about a cheap, affordable softbox light kit that you can get on Amazon today. Okay, so I was filming one of my outros for my latest travel video last week, and something that I realized in this new little setup that we have going on here in our bedroom, that I've got a lot of good natural light coming from the window here next to me. Now it's great and all, but I just need something that can light up this side of my face. So I tried a few different things. I tried the room light, I tried a bunch of different lamps, and honestly I wasn't liking any of it. So I just hopped on Amazon and tried to find the cheapest light kit that I could find, because I'm living in London now and I'm on a budget. And after a bit of searching I finally found one, and it came here today, and we're going to open it right now. This will be a last call. 20 minutes you're done being alone. Came with some instructions. Very nice, very nice. Not bad. In the box we have two sleeves that contain the actual softbox reflection box thingy, whatever you call it. Then you have two bigger white boxes which contain the actual stand, and then two smaller white boxes that I assume have the lights in it. It's a two-piece set and it comes with a carry case. This is the first sleeve. Listen to this. Oh yeah. Comes also with the cover for the softbox to kind of just dim in the lights a bit, so it's a bit more of a softer light and not so harsh on the skin. And then this, whoop, and it goes in like that, and that's that one. Next up is the stand. Tell you what, for the price it seems pretty legit. Like it's pretty sturdy. And then you have your stand like that. And the last box finally is the light bulb, which I'll try not to break. Oh look, and it comes in this protective foam, extra care. That is massive. Ooh. Now I'm going to put that back in there because I don't want to break that up. Okay, now I'll clear up some space so that you can see what it's like and how high it goes, and let's put it together. So that's it on the stand, and now we'll see how high it can go. That's the height. Now you can picture, like, I'm 5'10". This is taller than me. So yeah, not bad, not bad. Now the last thing is to turn it on. Whoa. Yeah, not bad. That's a decent light. Damn. Wow. Now for the final touch. So there you go guys, the softbox is all set up over there, and you can see that it's lit in this side of my face all the way up, and now it's kind of like a nice balance between the two. And I was actually really surprised with how sturdy and what it's made out of, and how actually decent the product actually is for so cheap. I got this one for just less than £50 on Amazon. Now if you want one for yourself, you can just go down to the link in the description to save you the hassle from trying to find it yourself. With that said guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the bell for post notifications, like, comment. I reply to everyone, so make sure to leave me a message, and I'll see you in the next one.